This lesson is about arcs and central angles. The essential question for this lesson is, how are arcs and central angles associated? Let's start with the definition of a central angle. A central angle of a circle is an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle. In the figure shown, angle AOB is a central angle. In the same picture, the arc AB, okay, that is the arc formed by that central angle. In this case, it is also a minor arc. Now, arc AB is represented by AB with a curved line over it, okay? Now, as I said, arc AB happens to be a minor arc. It's less than half the circle. There is also a major arc, but we can't refer to it as AB because there'd be confusion as to which arc we were referring to. So in order to talk about the major arc, we have to add another point and have 3 points. So now ACB would be a major arc and AB is a minor arc. Now, arcs are measured in degrees just like angles, and arc AB in this case is simply equal to the measure of its central angle. So therefore the measure of arc AB is equal to the measure of angle AOB. And this would be written as such: the measure of angle AOB is equal to the measure of arc AB. Now, another definition you should be familiar with is adjacent arcs. Adjacent arcs of a circle are arcs that have exactly one point in common. Now this leads us to our first postulate in this section. Postulate 16 simply states, the measure of the arc formed by two adjacent arcs is the sum of the measures of these two arcs. Kind of obvious, but still we need to state it as a postulate. By the way, this is known as the arc addition postulate, just like we had the segment addition postulate and the angle addition postulate. This is known as the arc addition postulate. Well, now we have another definition, and that is congruent arcs. Congruent arcs are arcs in the same circle or in congruent circles that have equal measures. And this leads us to our first theorem in this lesson. Theorem 9-3 states, in the same circle or in congruent circles, two arcs are congruent if and only if their central angles are congruent. Now I have an exercise for you. Take a look at the picture that you have on the screen, and I would like you to determine what the measure is of arc AC and what the measure is of arc ADC, and post your answers in the drop box. Thank you.